This is the inauguration of Happy Street by the Honorable Minister Rifiraj Hakim sir, and Sujit Bose sir is there. Devashish Sen sir is there. This is the Smartpower Bollards. This is called the Pedestrian Plaza, or you can say the Happy Street. Just now been inaugurated. These are the Smartpower Bollards. The Smartpower Bollards working. You can see the operation in front of the Devashish Sen sir. Just now the inauguration has been done. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, how you like the project, sir?
Absolutely fantastic, though it was a bit delayed, but it's worth it.
But bollards are working, sir, fine. Bollards are working fine.
People are quite thrilled.
Okay, thank you, sir.